Just check now. I just on the power and phase failure is gone there. Phase fault, no phase sequence or anything. Power on is on. All selector switch is closed right now. See here, this one pump 1, pump 2, pump 3 and pump 4. And also here main selector switch for VFD and by manual hand. You can work hand. I just open that right now here. See the 4 VFD. It's now work. All this power done. See here. All connections here. The main line, main breakers for this one main breaker for panels. This main breaker for ALS brand, and also this one branch breaker. It's a small panel, small pumps, 3 kilowatt. So that's why I will put that one 25 ampere. This one phase sequence and phase failure. See here, and this one liquid.